a long time ago, one of my first sales jobs, I was in financial services. And the company that we worked for, we helped parents save money, invest so that their kids could go to school. It was a registered education savings plan, a really, really great product. I loved it. I loved it so much I wanted to set up an account, but I didn't have kids, so I wasn't able to. But it was a really great product. And honestly, customers, I think a lot of them bought from me because I believed in the product so much. I loved it so much. But one thing that I found helpful was, hey, even though I was new and I didn't have any experience, the company had been around since 1960. So we had a lot of heroes, a lot of customers that have benefited from working with us. So I was able to remember and draw upon some of the other stories from other agents and share those stories of customers just like them who've been benefiting for 40 years. And I might even say, hey, look, I'm new, but working with me, you get the power and experience of the whole team behind me.